Hello! Today I will show you how to change touch function in shooting on SONY ZV-1 II. To start, open menu. Then choose Setup icon and Touch operation. Then pick Shooting screen and Touch function in shooting. Here you can change it to Touch focus, Touch shooter, Touch AE or off, or last in Touch tracking, which you can change to Touch tracking and AE. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.